If you like my dotting design, here is everything you need to know to create your own. Dotting in real life is a slow, relaxing and meditative process. So in this video, I will provide a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Please pause at any moment and take your time to complete each step. For this project, we need some black art paper or black canvas. Paints we may need tanzanite, lavender frost, emerald, bright yellow, festive red, pearl white. Optional paints we may need black to correct any mistakes, any shiny and sparkling paints to enhance our dots, like I have silver illusion. Also, we need some dotting tools ranging from 1 to 15 mm in diameter. We need some small containers with the lids and a couple of small brushes. First, we need to divide a circle into 24 equal parts. Please watch this video for more details, or here is a quick summary. Connect corner to corner, middle to middle, draw a large circle, using the same radius left and right, connect all the dots. Also, I like to draw more circles to keep our design symmetrical. We start with festive red, using the largest tool number 15. Tool number 1, bright yellow, dots around. Number 4, emerald, dots around. Usually, I like to dot crisscross first and then fill in between. Number 8, emerald, dots around. If a dot doesn't look good, it's easy to fix. Using a brush, remove the unwanted paint while it is still wet. Paint it over with black and let it dry. Pearl white, tool number 2.5, 1 dot on top. Number 8, bright yellow, 1 dot. Pearl white, number 2.5, dots around. Yellow, number 4, 1 dot. I like my dots fat and outstanding, so I always add more paint on top. Yellow, number 5, 1 dot. And tool number 1, drag it while the paint is still wet. Festive red, number 5, 1 dot, and using tool number 1, drag it. Tanzanite, number 10, 1 dot. Red, number 5, 1 dot, and tool number 1, drag it. Pearl white, number 1, 1 dot. Emerald, number 6, 1 dot. White, number 1, 1 dot. Tanzanite, number 4, 1 dot. Lavender frost, 1 dot. Tanzanite, tool number 12, 1 dot. Lavender frost, tool number 1, dots around. Tanzanite, number 4, dots around. Number 5, 1 dot. Number 4, 2 dots. Number 3, taper. Pearl white, tool number 6, 1 dot. Number 5, 2 dots. Number 4, 2 dots. Number 3, 2 dots. Lavender frost, tool number 6, 6 dots around. Using tool number 1, we drag it towards the center, aiming for a flower shape. Festive red, tool number 12, 1 dot. Bright yellow, number 4, dots around. Festive red, number 5, 1 dot. Number 4, 2 dots. Number 3, taper. Pearl white, tool number 6, 1 dot. Number 5, 2 dots. Number 4, 2 dots. Festive red, tool number 5, 1 dot. Here I decided to add some more white, using tool number 3, taper. Festive red, tool number 4, 4 dots on each side. Tool number 3, taper towards center. Pearl white, number 3, taper. Number 3, 1 dot in the middle of the flower. Emerald, number 2, 2 dots in between. Moving on to the corners. Tool number 12, 1 dot. Number 6, 2 dots. And using tool number 1, drag it. Number 3, taper. And now it's my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. Using smaller tools, we do some touch-ups on top, using brighter and lighter colors. If we don't have it, we can always mix it with white. It brings more texture and definition to our dots and adds more vibrancy to our painting. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous dotting painting with me and had a good time. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and enjoy more dotting projects together in my next video.